Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Gemini. Okay. Two of Wands. I have got so many cards, so I'm not taking all these. So far we have got Two of Wands. Okay. King of Cups. Eight of Cups. Okay. So we have the Tower, Hermit. Okay. King of Pentacles. The Devil. Oh God. King of Wands. Okay. So Gemini people, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy between you and your person, and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. Now let's see what your partner is feeling about you and how do they see you. So we have Eight of Cups, Two of Wands and King of Cups. Okay. Your partner feels with this Eight of Cups that you have surrendered in front of something. Okay, you have given up on something. Maybe this relationship. They feel that you don't want to continue with this relationship anymore. Okay, you are looking for another ways. Okay, you are searching some different thing in your life. Okay. These cups are their emotions towards you, and you are not seeing to these emotions. You are just choosing your own path. You just want to discover something new in life. You just want to discover your highest purpose. Maybe you want someone else, someone new in your life in terms of relationship. Okay, and with this Two of Wands, it's totally clear that you definitely want, I mean, they feel that you definitely want someone else in your relation, in your life. Maybe you want to move out from your current location. Okay, maybe you want to shift to some other new location to offer somebody else this King of Cups. Okay, I'm getting one more story. For some of you, I feel that your person feels about you with this Eight of Cups, that something has happened with you. Maybe this is the time you are making your choices towards them. Okay, that's what they feel. Okay, and with this Eight of Cups, maybe you have many options available in your life in terms of relationship and emotions and love, and you are not choosing all of these. You just want to offer this uh, king of cups to them. Okay, that's what they feel about you. This is for some of you, not for all of you. And with this Two of Wands, your person also feels that that you are eagerly looking forward to meet them. Okay, you are making ways to come forward and talk to them. You are making ways to come forward and meet them in person. Okay, I feel that it is a long distance relationship for some of you. So if there is some distance between you and your person physically, then definitely they feel that you are definitely going to take certain action towards them. Okay, so we have two stories here. I'm getting two stories. First, that your person feels that you don't want to continue with this relationship, you want somebody else in this in your life in terms of relationship and emotions. Okay, that's why you are looking for new opportunities in your life. You are just giving up on this relationship and you want somebody else. Okay, you are looking for new options and you want to offer this King of Cups to somebody else. And the second thing is that for some of you, that your person feels that you have lot many options in your life in terms of emotions, in terms of love. Maybe you have so many proposals, but you are not looking towards them. Okay, you are making ways to come forward and talk to them. Okay, and you really want to offer them this King of Cups. Okay, so these are your partner's energies, Gemini. Okay, now let's see what are your energies towards them. Okay, so we have the Tower, the Hermit, and King of Pentacles. Okay. Gemini, you feel that something has happened with your person. Okay, with this Tower movement, something has demolished at their end. Okay, it could be anything. It could be their ego. It could be their negative emotions. It could be a they must have been through some drastic change in their lives. So something has ended, something has finished at their end in okay, with this Tower movement. Or maybe I feel that it is their past abusive relationship that just has ended. So something has demolished at their end with this Tower movement. That's what you feel about them, Gemini. Plus also with this Hermit card, you feel that your person is not very not very communicative towards you. They are taking their own time. Maybe they are searching for new uh, ways to survive in this world. Okay, maybe uh, they're not sure what they want in terms of love and emotion. That's why they are very much focused towards their own money, finances, career, and goals with this King of Pentacles. Okay, when it comes to love, they are taking their own time to open up in front of anyone. Okay, I feel that it's you who is putting all the efforts to talk to them. Okay, it's you who is giving them enough chances to communicate with you, to talk to you. But they are into this Hermit energy. They are not doing anything in term towards this relationship. Maybe they want their own time to get healed, or to move on from this Tower moment. That's why they are taking a lot of time. So in terms of relationship, they are not taking any actions. Okay, there is no communication from their side. They are just making ways, or they just want to explore, or they just want to be out from that negative aura or that negative emotion. And they also feel that this is not the right time for them to be into this love and relationship kind of things. So instead of putting their efforts into these two things, love and emotions, or love and relationship things, they are just focusing towards their own growth. Okay, in terms of career, in terms of finances, in terms of their goal. They are being very money minded right now with this King of Pentacles. Okay, so the mutual energy of this reading, or I would say this relationship, is the Devil. So Gemini, I feel that it's your person who is really obsessed with something. Okay, as I said, they are being very money minded nowadays. They are working towards their career, finances, goals. Okay, so I feel that it's them who is not doing anything in terms of relationship. They are like so obsessed with their own growth, with their own career, with their own finance, with their own goals. Okay, maybe they want to shift their focus towards maybe they want to restart their life. That's why they are being very obsessed about themselves. Okay, And the future potential is King of Wands. Okay, Gemini, I feel it's you. It's you who is just waiting for your partner or this person to come forward and talk to you. Okay, maybe you want them to be out from this devil energy. Okay, you are seeing them from a distance. In this card too, you are seeing them from a distance. Maybe you are planning to come forward and talk to them. So in this card as well, with this King of Wands, I feel that it's you who is waiting for them to be out from this devil moment. Okay, even though you want to take certain action towards them, but you are taking your own time now. You are thinking that it's okay, let them be into their own energies. Once they'll be out, I will definitely move forward in this relationship. Okay, or maybe I'll talk to them, okay, about this relationship. Okay, so some communication is definitely going to take place in future, and I feel that it's you who is going to start or who's going to initiate the communication. Okay, so Gemini, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this 8 of Cups, King of Cups. Okay, we have Virgo in this reading with this Hermit card. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 2 of Wands, King of Wands. We have earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this King of Pentacles. Okay, we have Capricorn in this reading, this devil card. Okay, so some of you could be dealing with Capricorn. Okay. Yeah, so that was the reading for my Gemini viewers. Gemini viewers, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.